Hi folks, this is the Powerwatch2. Just after receiving, actually received it yesterday. Just opening the box now for an unveil to see what I get with it. So out of the box first is the main unit, and as you can see, it's the standard model. The standard Lux and Premium come in the same box, by the way. So there was a wooden box at one time, and it's now a standard. So what I have is the watch, and I have what must be a commercial invoice or a customs and value invoice. So because I'm living in Ireland, we have international borders to travel. So this came from China. So let me just get this fella open. It's wrapped in styrofoam, or not styrofoam, clear plastic. So let me get this open. Not very good work on one hand, but it looks good. So forgive me here while I do a little bit of messing around. So how we doing? So plastic coming off, and so box is securely wrapped. Outer shell off, so plenty of debris coming from it, and the box itself has an inner shell. It doesn't have an inner shell actually. Now it's got a magnetic seal on it, and this opens out. You can see my new Powerwatch there, and Powerwatch comes with sapphire glass by the looks of it. It was promised. The feel of the rubber is good. It's a high quality aesthetic to it, so it should be pretty strong. It's well placed into the basket, if I can get it out. Yeah. So that's the Powerwatch, obviously in an off state. You can see the sensor there and the rubber. And we have a smaller device here, which I presume is a charging block. If I can get it open with one hand, not very good, not very dexterous. Let's see what this is. Yep, that'll be a charging block. So you can see it there. So, and it's mini USB. So your standard mini USB will work, and crikey, there's something else here. I presume this is a lead. So, no, this is a microfiber cloth for cleaning the screen. So that's good. So let me put the watch box here. Let's see what we get. We don't get a scissors. So watch box here, we get the watch, we get the charging block, and we got a USB to micro USB lead.